Welcome to a journey that's about to change the way you travel and explore. I'm Marvin, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this exciting road trip. Imagine hitting the open road in your very own customized caddy camper van, built from scratch with your own hands. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newbie looking to embrace the nomadic lifestyle, this course is your passport to freedom and creativity. Are you ready to roll up your sleeves, grab some tools, and embark on a journey of building, crafting, and transforming? Together, we'll dive into the nitty-gritty details of constructing your dream camper van from the ground up. From designing the perfect layout to installing electrical systems, crafting space-saving storage solutions, and creating a cozy, comfortable interior, this course has got it all covered. No prior experience, no worries. I'll be your guide every step of the way. Are you ready to unlock the world of adventure, freedom, and self-sufficiency? Together, we learn, create, and make memories that will last a lifetime. So, if you're ready to turn your dreams into reality, to build your very own caddy camper van from scratch, then I invite you to join me on this road trip of a lifetime. Let's build, let's explore, and let's make memories. I can't wait to see you in the course.